Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to type in MS Word document. So friends, if you need to type in MS Word document, so firstly click on insert, then click on symbol. Now in here click on more symbols. So friends, you will see this symbol, font as normal text, subset as basic Latin, and simple and quick way, type this character code 0040. So type this code 0040, then click on insert like this. So that's it friends. By this easy and simple method we can type or insert symbol in MS Word document. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.